before going to exercise 4.4, we have to see some of the rules. So here in a quadratic formula, this is a general quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a general quadratic equation. First we have to find out the discriminant. Before going to the quadratic formula, we have to find out the discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Already you know the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. What is the d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So to find the roots, if you want to check whether the roots are equal, there are three conditions: two equal roots, two distinct roots, and no real roots or imaginary roots. So these three conditions are there. So when the roots will be equal, so if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the two roots are equal. You will be finding b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the two roots are equal. You will be getting two equal roots. If one is 3, another root also will be 3. If one is 4, another root also will be 4. If one is root 3, then another also will be root 3. Two distinct roots. When it will be two distinct roots, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then two distinct roots. Distinct means different roots. If one is 2, another one will be 3. If one is 2 plus root 3, another one will be 2 minus root 3. Like that you will be getting two different roots. When the roots are said to be no real roots or imaginary roots, during that case b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. இது வந்து 1, 2, 3 அந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கும். greater than 0 கிடைக்கும். இது வந்து minus 1 or minus 2. நெகட்டிவ்ல வந்ததுன்னா you no need to find out the answer. You can just write no real roots or imaginary roots. About this imaginary roots you will be learning only in 11th standard. You just write the answer as no real roots. Okay. So in this case you have to find out what type of roots the equation will get. So if the roots are if you get like this b square minus 4ac, they will ask if greater than or equal to 0, then what about the roots? The roots are distinct and equal. Like this you will be getting no, you will be getting like this. You will be getting separately. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 means two equal roots. B square minus 4ac greater than 0 means two distinct roots. Okay. So now they will give you some of the problem. You have to check whether the real root exists or not. Okay, real root exists or not. So how will you check that? So let us go to that type of problem. Exercise 4.4. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So when this condition is possible, you can find the roots. See, in exercise 4.3, you can find the roots if the condition is having equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. So this is possible in exercise 4.3. ஒன்றா greater than 0 வரணும், இல்லைன்னா equal to 0 வரணும். greater than or equal to இப்படி வந்ததுன்னா you can find the roots that you have done in exercise 4.3. suppose equal to 0 வந்ததுன்னா ரெண்டுமே equal roots இருக்கும். greater than 0 வந்ததுன்னா ரெண்டு different roots. you will be getting two distinct roots. Okay, now let us check whether what condition is possible for this problem. So you just compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a value is 2, b value is minus 3, and c value is 5. So find out the discriminant. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, you are going to find out what is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac we are going to find out. What is b square minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. So minus 3 when you square becomes 9, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So what is the answer? Minus 31. So if it is less than 0, minus 31 is less than 0. Negative numbers are less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore the roots are unreal or imaginary. You should write, therefore the roots are not real, or no real roots, like that you can write, or imaginary roots, like that also you can write. Okay, now coming to next question. Let me do second subdivision. Second subdivision, what is second subdivision? 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So during this case, when we compare, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So during this case, what is b square minus 4ac, which is minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So minus of minus when you square becomes plus. 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. 4 square is 16 and root 3 when you square becomes 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. So here the roots are equal. Since 0, d is equal to 0, therefore the roots are equal. So here the roots exist, so you can find the roots. How will you find the roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root t divided by 2a. So minus b means minus of minus becomes plus. So 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 divided by 2 into a value is 3. So it is nothing but 4 root 3 by 2 3s are 6. This is 2 times and this is 3 times. So you will be getting 2 root 3 by 3. 2 root 3 by 3. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. So this root 3 and this root 3 you can cancel. So you will be getting 2 by root 3. So equal root. So one is 2 by root 3. Another root also will be 2 by root 3. So in this manner, if the roots are exist, you have to find out the roots. Now coming to second sum. Here find the value of k, very important sum. Find the value of k so that they have equal roots. They have equal roots. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. What is equal roots condition? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this condition is very important. So b square means what is b value? K. So k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to plus 24. Why it is not showing properly? Yes, k square is equal to plus 24. K square is equal to plus 24. So k is equal to square root of 24. K is equal to square root of 24. What is square root of 24? Actually this can be written as 6 into 4. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. For this 2 you have a pair, so you can take 1 2 outside, and for 6 you cannot take root. And when you take out root, you should write plus or minus. K is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. That will be the answer. Now second subdivision. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First you have to make this as quadratic equation. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So when we compare, a value is equal to k, b value is equal to minus 2k, c value is equal to 6. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Since the given roots are, according to the question, the roots are equal. So b square means minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So minus becomes plus, 2 becomes 4, k becomes k square minus 4, 6 4s are 24k is equal to 0. So when we take common out 4 and k, when we take commonly out, we will be getting k minus 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24 is equal to 0. So when you get like this, either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 by 4 or k is equal to 6. So you will be getting two roots, k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. So in this manner you have to do the k sum. K sum is very important. They will ask in 2 mark, and you have test today. Be prepared. Thank you.